So if we look at the difference between horizontal scaling and vertical scaling, so in vertical scaling, we consider bigger machine. In vertical scaling, we consider bigger machine. So vertical scaling, the idea is that whatever machine we have, we add more compute power to it, more memory to it, add more resources to it. So that is vertical scaling. So vertical scaling is simple, but it is limited. And main limitation is the hardware limitation. Because if we talk about RAM, from 8 GB we can go to 16 GB RAM. But from 16 GB to 32 GB RAM, if I go, then maybe the motherboard I have to change, or some architecture I have to change. So that's a hardware limitation. So vertical scaling, it is simple, but it is limited. And the main limitation is the hardware limitation. So that is the vertical scaling, wherein we add more power, more resources to the existing hardware. So if we look at horizontal scaling, horizontal scaling means replicating the machines, adding more machines. So horizontal scaling means adding more machines, replicating the machines. So horizontal scaling, it is complex because see, the idea is that in horizontal scaling we are achieving a distributed architecture wherein we are having the replicas of same machine, and we have to do the load balancing and some kind of a synchronization. So distributed architecture concepts will be involved, and hence it is complex. But it is not limited, it is potentially unlimited. This is something very interesting about horizontal scaling, wherein with load we can just keep on adding the replicas of the same machine, and we can very easily scale. So potentially it is unlimited. So horizontal scaling means adding more machines, creating the replicas of the machine. It is complex because it involves distributed architecture, data consistency, load balancing will come into the picture, but it is potentially unlimited, wherein we can keep on adding more and more resources to achieve horizontal scaling. Now let us look at the key trade-offs. So in vertical scaling, we achieve simplicity, but in horizontal scaling, we achieve scalability. So in order to truly achieve scalability, we should consider the horizontal scaling and not vertical scaling.